Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dapping block is probably one of the most versatile tools in a metalworker's arsenal. It allows you to shape and form metal with precision, creating beautiful curves and contours. Whether you're a seasoned jeweler or a hobbyist, understanding how to use a dapping block can significantly elevate your craftsmanship and open up a world of design possibilities. Number 5. 26-piece jewelry making metal forming tool kit. This 26-piece set is perfect for shaping and forming metals. It's ideal for anyone involved in jewelry making or metalwork. With this kit, you can achieve professional results. Made from high-density, hardened steel with chrome plating, this tool kit is built to last. The materials ensure the tools can withstand the rigors of daily use. It's a reliable addition to your workshop. This set is great for shaping precious metals and creating intricate designs. It's also suitable for forming soft metals. This versatile kit is perfect for various applications. Whether you're a metalsmith, goldsmith, or a hobbyist, this kit is for you. It's designed for jewelry making, coin making, and repairs. It will help you create stunning pieces. The set includes punches ranging from 2.3 mm to 25 mm. It provides everything you need for a wide range of metal forming tasks. This comprehensive kit is a must-have for any metalworker. What we like. This set's hardened steel construction and chrome plating ensure durability and a professional finish. It's perfect for shaping various metals, from precious jewelry to soft metals. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile tool for your metalworking projects, you should consider this one. What people say. Making some nice bezels with my scrap prices of silver and a saw to make fine cuts for the bezels and rings. Awesome. Well made. Husband is using it a lot for his jewelry making. Number 4. Steel dapping block and punch set for jewelry making. This set is made of high-quality steel and heat-treated for durability. It's designed for a long working life, ensuring it can withstand the demands of metal forming. The dapping punches are machined in a CNC machine to create perfect round shapes. This precision ensures accurate and consistent results in your metal forming projects. The set includes 2 dapping blocks, a rubber base, and 18 matching dapping punches. The punches range in size from 3 mm to 38 mm, providing a wide variety of options for your work. Each punch handle is marked with its size, as is the wooden stand and the dapping block cavity. This makes it easy to select the correct tool for the job. The vibration-absorbing rubber base reduces vibration, improving user comfort. This feature allows you to work for longer periods with less fatigue. This set is ideal for shaping, forming, and chasing precious metals and metal jewelry. It's also great for forming soft metals for various applications, including jewelry making and repairs. What we like. With its high-quality steel and vibration-absorbing base, this set offers both durability and user comfort. The clear size markings make it easy to select the right punch for your project. If you value precision and ease of use in your metal forming, you should choose this one. What people say. Got this to help make bowl shapes out of brass sheeting for pipe bowl inserts, and it works very well. Everything came in sealed plastic and all metal parts were covered in a thin layer of oil to keep them rust-free. Everything is smooth and all the sizes are correct. Number 3. JTS wood dapping block and punch set. This is the JTS wood dapping block. It's a wooden forming tool designed to shape materials. It's a great tool for various crafting projects. The cube features 6 different size depressions on each side. These half spheres range from approximately 7/8 to 1 to 3/4 inches. This allows for a variety of shaping options. This set comes with 2 wood punches. They are designed to work with the dapping block. This combination makes it easy to create perfect shapes. Made of wood, this set is a non-marring dent remover. It's designed to protect your materials while shaping them. It's a safe and effective tool. Weighing only 4 ounces, it's easy to handle and maneuver. Its lightweight design makes it a convenient tool for any workshop or crafting space. This is Jet's product #0407-29100. It's a reliable and versatile tool for all your shaping needs. Get yours today. What we like. This wooden dapping blocks cube design offers multiple shaping options, and the non-marring punches are gentle on your materials. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle. If you like a tool that's both functional and easy to store, you should consider this one. What people say. I collect antique pocket watches and use it to smooth out some dings. The bigger ones don't fit so well, otherwise it's fine. Number 2. Vintaj dapping block with 2 punches. Vintaj specializes in crafting supplies, offering a wide range of jewelry-making trinkets. They also provide paints, patinas, stains, and other tools to help you unlock your creativity. This hardwood cube has a smooth surface and measures 2.25 inches. It features 6 hemispherical depressions of different sizes on each side, allowing for various design options. The set includes 2 wood punches, each measuring 3.75 inches in length. Use these punches with a hammer to gently shape your metal pieces into the desired forms. Use this set to shape and smooth the surface of various metals like gold, silver, and brass. It's perfect for creating custom earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and rings. Create unique pieces for housewares, decorative art, or a handcrafted look. Let this set help you bring your creative vision to life. The beadsmith has been providing quality beads, tools, and supplies for 40 years. They are committed to making your jewelry making experience a positive one and are here to help you on your creative journey. What we like. The hardwood cube block and smooth surface finish of this set provide a professional look. It comes with 2 wooden punches, allowing you to create custom shapes. If you're looking to create unique jewelry pieces with a handcrafted look, you should consider this one. What people say. I've tried this on nickels, dimes, quarters, pennies, etc., and they all fared well. Hammered as hard as I could and still, not even a crack or any marks whatsoever. The dapping block works great for my projects. Number 1. Metal Forming Steel Dapping Block Puncher Set. This set is designed for shaping and forming metal with precision. It includes a dapping block and punchers for various projects. It's a great tool for any metalworking enthusiast. The dapping block is sized at 3 to 1 2 by 2 by 1 inches. It provides a stable surface for shaping metal. This block is essential for creating curved or rounded shapes. The set includes 10 punchers, with sizes ranging from 5 to 27 millimeters. These punchers are 3 to 3/8 inches in length. They allow you to create various sizes of round impressions. The round punchers come in 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 19, 24, and 27 mm sizes. This variety ensures you have the right tool for the job. They are perfect for creating precise circles in metal. The set includes everything you need for metal forming. The overall dimensions of the set are 7 foot L×4 to 12 W×4H. It's a comprehensive solution for your metalworking needs. What we like. This 10-piece set offers a wide range of punch sizes, making it suitable for various projects. The durable steel material ensures longevity. If you need a comprehensive set for different metal forming tasks, you should choose this one. What people say. Metal is solid. Takes but a few whacks of a hammer and it domes nickels and coins with ease. Works really well, and makes the perfect discs. Very nice product. Works well. Very solid. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.